You need change?
No, I think I got it.
Oh, you're from the United States, I hear.
Yeah, New York, actually.
Oh, New York. I love New York. It's a great place. Very good. You here for a visit?
No, I made Aliyah last week, actually.
You made Aliyah?
Yeah.
What, are you crazy? You're not normal. What's wrong with you? Oh, you must have family here.
No,
You must have a job here.
not yet, but I'm looking.
Crazy, huh? You don't even have Target here.
Oh, come on. There must be something good about living in Israel.
Yeah. Yeah, there's one thing. Shoko basakit.
It's good, huh?
Oh, it's very good. Very good. You have in New York?
No. There you go.
Ah. Okay, listen. You here in a week? You give me a call. You want to go back? I go with you.
Okay. Thanks.
And no shoko basakit in New York.
No. Bye.
Bye.